Hi traders, it's Insaf. If you're looking for a big move on the market for next week's, I got you. I got you today. We're gonna be looking at Amazon. So the big boy that is moving the market on this weekend. So I'll break it down the levels. I'll break it down the catalysts. If you're not following me, please drop a follow and like this. Stay with me to till end to get all the levels and how we can take a big breakout on Amazon. Let's go. All right. In overall, Amazon is looking very solid. Uh, very solid because we actually consolidated for a couple of days on the low on the swing lows last week, so on 21st, and we actually making our way to and creating a bias bias attraction. So here, that's actually not only because of the long term big monies and institutional interest will be getting in this price action because of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday. In regards to fundamentals, Amazon just crushed last quarter's earnings. Revenue surged 13% year over year. Net income jumped 39%. This is very incredible, very incredible for a company like this. So even revenue was generally, is boosted by the Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services takes a big market capitalization on cloud infrastructure and cloud solutions. So AWS grew over 20% year over year. That is amazing. That is absolutely great, because what happening here is Amazon and every company that uses AWS is relying on Amazon's AI solutions as well. So Amazon is building an AI infrastructure for an enterprise. This is like an enterprise adoption based on the demand. So Amazon is actually really backing every company. Every company that's relying on Amazon services is absolutely great. So that alone gives Amazon a majority, like a major tailwind, and going into so we are also going into holidays, right? So we have Black Friday and Cyber Monday. These are like prime sales day for consumers. They actually come and cope all type of gifts and massive deals. So I actually spent over $1,000 this week only. So that I'm not even done yet. So, but the amount of savings that I had is almost like $200-300, because definitely I saved a lot of big chunk on like a lot of consumer and appliances. So I'm pretty sure Amazon is going to be releasing their total spend on Amazon website and on this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So this is going to be another catalyst. So I'm pretty sure the big monies will be looking out for this levels, and we'll be looking at the price and action also, and all the fundamentals press release. But also we have on Monday Jerome Powell speaking. So when Jerome Powell speak, we don't know what tone he's going to bring into the market. So if he's bullish, we're going to break out. If his tone is not really clear, then we break down. So we have to be cautious on that one. So we are not actually expecting market to just rally 20 points on Amazon just as market opens, but it can take time for market to build some structure and develop some momentum. But yeah, we are definitely relying on this catalyst and catalyst and some key releases. So let me break down the technicals on the Amazon. So on the 4 hours, we can see that we actually created a double bottom here on 216s, and 216 had a beautiful swing, like a sweep. So we can see a big candle here. So we have zipped it, and we are actually creating a buyer's momentum here. And we also closed, we also strongly holding 5-day EMA, which is like 228. So that is actually a good valid point here. Then next would be 20-day EMA. So 20-day EMA is around 238.70. So if we continue to, like, this is kind of sideways price action. If you see this on from last Monday, so let's go to Monday. So here we can see this price action is kind of sideways price action. It's a kind of tight consolidation here. So if you break out of 233 and retest this, and if the buyers hold this level strong, then I see big money moving this to reach test the 238.70s. 238.70s is a major supply here, because if you can see here, we have rejection, like we held support here. There was a lot of demand here. We were holding the 238 levels, and when we broke out in the last sell-off, you can see that 238 was rejected and created a supply here. So this supply is need to break out for the next level, to create a next leg up. But for now we are looking at 233 breakout. So for us to go long, we need to see a 233 acting as a strong support or demand. Then we can go long. If that doesn't work out, if it doesn't see, and we can also start accumulating on 228 on the retest, or 230 on 20-day 20 days. So my apologize, 238 is not where the 20-day EMA is. So 20-day EMA is at previous day low. So 20-day and 5-day EMA is actually on the same zone. So this small level between this $2 zone, that needs to act really strong as a strong support. Then if you stay here, you can buy here for long. So but also we can if you sell off, if you don't see 228 acting as a strong support, then we have to reevaluate and see what actually went wrong. If you have a real thesis for not to continue this momentum. So that is what I'm looking for the next week. Thank you for staying with me, and thank you for giving your support. If you're not following, just drop a follow and share and like. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye bye.